In the previous session, we have seen the Bernoulli's principle and how this Bernoulli's principle is formulated in terms of mathematical expression. Now let us see today how this Bernoulli's principle is applied in some of the practical applications. We all know the aeroplane takes off in the air when it achieves a particular speed. But what is the exact working principle behind it? Bernoulli's principle is the working principle behind generating a lift for the aircraft. We all know that the wing of the aeroplane is always made of aerofoil shape. Because of this aerofoil shape, when the air is going to pass over it, it is going to deviate the airflow and generate some airflow patterns. When this blade will be tilted through some angle, it will generate a lift. Now how this lift will be generated? Because of the tilt of the blade at some particular angle, the airflow patterns above the blade and below the blade will change, and it will drop the velocity below the blade and it will increase the velocity above the blade. As per Bernoulli's principle, the total energy in both the sections should remain constant. So when one energy is dropping, another energy has to be increased. So when here the kinetic energy is dropping, the pressure energy is going to increase. Whereas above the blade, when the kinetic energy is going to increase, the pressure energy is going to drop. Now here the potential energy is not getting considered because both the sections will be at almost same level. There won't be any appreciable difference in the potential energy existing between these two sections. So since the pressure energy is going to increase below the blade, here high pressure zone will be created, and above the blade, since the pressure energy is dropping, the low pressure zone will be created. So here high pressure zone will be created and here low pressure zone will be created, and because of this pressure difference, the lift force will be getting applied over the blade from the downward direction, from high pressure region to low pressure region, and this is the force which is responsible for generating the lift to the aircraft. So this is how any aeroplane takes off in the air when it achieves a particular speed. Now let us take another example where we are going to consider a tank having water at some particular level and a tap arrangement at the bottom of it. So when this tap is going to be opened, this water is going to come out at some particular velocity. Okay. Suppose this is point 1 and point 2, before tap and after tap. If we apply this Bernoulli's principle over it, we will be able to calculate the speed at which the water is going to come out of the tank. Okay. As per Bernoulli's principle, total energy at point 1 should be equal to total energy at point 2. So total energy at point 1 will be given as P1 plus rho V1 square by 2 plus rho G H1 will be equal to total energy at point 2, P2 plus rho V2 square upon 2 plus rho G H2. Now pressures at point 1 and 2 will always be equal to atmospheric pressure since both the points are open to the atmosphere. That's why P1 and P2 will be equal. So we can cancel out this term. Then water at point 1 will be at rest. So V1 will be equal to 0. So we can make this term 0. Right? And we can rewrite this expression as rho GH1 is equal to rho V2 square upon 2 plus rho GH2. Now we can cancel out this rho since it is common on both the sides. Right? And we can rewrite this expression as V2 square upon 2. We can take this term on left hand side. So GH1 minus GH2. Now this G is common and we can take this 2 on right hand side. So V2 square is equal to 2G into H1 minus H2. Now we can replace this H1 minus H2 by term H, and since it is square term, we can cancel this square by taking square root on both the sides. So this becomes V2 is equal to under root 2GH, where H will be equal to H1 minus H2. So this is how we can calculate using Bernoulli's principle the speed at which or the velocity at which the water is going to come out of the tank. So I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any doubt regarding this session, you can post it out in the comment section. If you really like the content of this channel, Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.